Alright, hey, thanks guys for coming and watching. We have something that's really fascinating today. What are we going to be doing today?
We're going to see carbon dioxide extinguishes flames.
So we're going to make our own fire extinguisher with stuff that you guys have at home. Guaranteed. Go ask your parents. Okay, so to start with all this, we have to make sure that you're going to be safe. Okay, we're going to be dealing with the flame. If you're going to try this at home, make sure that you have your parents around to help you with this, okay? Because we don't want any accidents to happen, okay? So what we're going to need is we're going to need some vinegar, some white vinegar.
And some baking soda.
Some baking soda, and of course a candle.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
And we're going to, what are we going to do with it? We're going to mix these two.
Yeah.
Right,
and then we're going to
together.
get it close, and then it... How would you do this without a candle?
Well, that would be really difficult, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
But luckily we have one. No?
Yeah.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to be mixing these two together.
Yeah.
And then we're going to pour it into here. But we're not going to be pouring the vinegar or the baking soda, okay? So when we mix these two together, it fizzes up. I don't know if you've seen those volcanoes that you can make using these.
Yeah.
Right? It's
Yeah,
pretty cool how it expands and it bubbles up. Well, when they bubble together, it creates carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide is actually a heavier gas than oxygen. So when we get it close to the candle, the carbon dioxide is going to go over into the candle, and it's going to extinguish the flame. Because the flame requires oxygen. Just like you and I, we require oxygen.
That's exactly what I was going to say.
Yeah. Okay. So that's what it is. The CO2, when we create these two, it's going to... combine these two, it's going to create CO2. And when we pour it over into the flame...
Not pour it.
The CO2. We're going to pour the CO2. Oh. Okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and pour...
Wait up for me, guys!
That into there. Okay. Oh, we didn't want to overflow.
No!
Okay, we're not going to be pouring that. It's creating carbon dioxide right now. So when I go like this, it extinguished it. We didn't pour any of the vinegar in there. Alright, let me light it up again. Alright, so let's light it up again. Okay. And again, we're not going to extinguish it with the vinegar. We're just going to pretend like we're pouring it in. Oh, I guess we've already used all the carbon dioxide.
No, we have some vinegar right here.
Is there some vinegar left in there?
Yeah.
Pour some in there.
A little bit. Just as so.
Just enough to...
Just like that.
Just like that.
I see the smoke.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, that's cool.
Alright, to summarize, again, we need to caution you
and
that if you're going to try this at home, that we need to have adult supervision, okay? Because flames are nothing to be toyed with. This is not...
Stay watching this video until the end. It's going to be awesome.
Okay, so we want to make sure that you're safe, okay? So make sure there's an adult around when you come and do these things. But
that's
again,
really important.
Things that you have inside of your house can actually create your own fire extinguisher.
Yeah.
Vinegar, baking soda, combine the two creates the carbon dioxide, again CO2, and then that gas actually extinguishes fires. So some other things that CO2 is used for.
You could use it like in real fires, like in their house that's trying to burn the house.
I don't know if you'd be able to use this particular method to put out a fire in your kitchen or anything like that. This is just an experiment. But other fun things that CO2 is used for, carbonated beverages, so your sodas use CO2, that's why they're bubbly. Again, fire suppression like this is one way to use it. Anyways, hey, thanks for watching. We're going to try to put out these videos more often. We're going to do science experiments, some fun little things like this every week, so come and join and watch us. Thank you.